Urdu language has a rich history in mathematics. Some of the earliest known Urdu mathematicians include Abu al-Fazl ibn Mubarak, who was a courtier in the Mughal Emperor Akbar's court and wrote a number of works on mathematics, astronomy, and other subjects in Urdu. One of the most important figures in the history of mathematics in Urdu was Mirza Muhammad Waqar. He was a mathematician, astronomer, and translator who lived in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. He translated several important works on mathematics and astronomy into Urdu, including Euclid's Elements and Ptolemy, Almagest. He also wrote several original works on mathematics, including a treatise on algebra. Other important Urdu mathematicians include Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi, who lived in the 10th century and wrote a number of works on astronomy and mathematics in Arabic, which were later translated into Urdu. In the 19th century, mathematicians like Syed Ahmad Khan and Nazir Ahmad wrote popular textbooks on arithmetic and algebra in Urdu, which were widely used in schools throughout India. In the 20th century, mathematicians like Shakir Ali Khan and Muhammad Anwar Kamal continued to write important works on mathematics in Urdu. Today, Urdu is still used as a language of instruction in mathematics in some schools in Pakistan and India, and there are a number of Urdu language journals and publications devoted to mathematics and related fields.